So girl when tell me say other guys they ask her out, but she dey ignore them just to deal with me. Yesterday me and her is true. One idiot based on say get Benz that call wind down, call begin spin my bit for my presence. Ask her what's your name? I say her name is Precious. The guy talking to me don't forget me, no, I don't really care. Guy continue. Say, are you single? He said the guy go say no, I'm not. This is my boyfriend. She didn't. This guy started to reply with actually. I should just say actually. I know someone don't finish. Say actually, I'm single and this boy is my neighbor. Eh?
Hey!
And the guy continue. I say, oh, pretty girl, you don't deserve to be walking under the sun. Come on, let me give you a lift.
I'm sorry, yo.
Conceit girl when tell me say she will never leave me no matter what. Say I should flee wrong going down another man motor. Hey!
He shock you.
Give my babe lift. Cause you get motor. No one. I get motor. I don't get motor now. I buy motor first. People get friend go hear her from my hand. I swear. You just say I don't buy motor, just be guide your babe.